Okay, so I promise, the other day at Old Hand Coffee, I was not eavesdropping, but I understand you're looking for an awesome condo downtown Abbotsford, and I've been super excited to show you this property. Now, it's got a really near and dear place in my heart because in 2007 and 8, it was the very first brand new building we did the sales and marketing on. So amazing quality. It stood the test of time, although it's not old. It's in beautiful shape. Come on in, you're absolutely gonna love this building. So if you're looking at this property as a point of reference to try to figure out value for your property, reach out to us today, info@hardyteam.ca. We'd love to give you a no obligation evaluation for your home. And of course, we'd love to show you this amazing place. So reach out to us anytime. We'd love to connect with you.